Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Christina Desmangles.
Hi, I'm Sahiba Seth.
I'm Jordan Anderson.
And I'm Meet Patel.
Hi, and my name is Dominic Campbell, and we're Bite the Bullet. This is our app, MyCloset. So I know you've probably thought to yourself a couple times as you were just at home, thinking, you know what? I kind of want to see what's in my closet right now, but I don't really want to get up to see what's exactly in there because I'm just pretty lazy, so I don't want to do that. But I have somewhere to go, so I kind of want to look in there and see what I have so I know what I can wear at what times. Well, it's kind of where our project comes into hand. So MyCloset is an app that allows the user to add all the clothes that they have in their physical closet into our own virtual closet on our app. So that when you're in a scenario like, let's say you're out with some friends at a dinner, and they say the next day they're going to be going to a party or they're going to be going on some kind of run. And you're thinking to yourself, what exactly could I wear in a situation like that? I'm not really sure. I have to wait till I get home to even see if I have that kind of clothes. You're going to be in that situation where you're thinking, maybe I can't agree on this. I don't even have that kind of clothes at home. So with our app, you'd be able to look on at any time and see all the clothes that you have in your closet. So we're going to show you how to do that with our app, MyCloset. First, we're going to register. In order to register, we're going to need our email and our password. So for our email, just type in whatever email you have. And then for our password, as you can see, you need to have at least 6 characters. Good password. And then we'll click register. So our authentication failed, which probably means that our email was used. It was not. So luckily our password actually worked. So now we're in our inventory. And now I'll pass it off to Siva.
So here is the inventory, and to actually add your clothing items to the inventory, you need to click Add Item.
Okay, so once you get to the add item page, you're gonna use the best of your abilities to describe the particular clothing item that you're trying to add to your closet, the same way you would describe a shirt to a friend or a family member. Let's start off. If I wanted to add a red shirt, I would select clothing type, and then a drop down will show up, and I'll press top. Then my clothing style, since it's a t-shirt, I'm gonna put it as casual or athletic, and it is multi-select, so I can select both of those options and press OK. Then I'll select the season, and I'm gonna pick spring because it's a t-shirt. And then the color of it, like I said, it's red, so I'm gonna select that. But as you can see, that's also multi-select, so I could select multiple colors if that was appropriate. And now, this is my favorite shirt. I'm gonna press this little star at the bottom to mark that and let the algorithm know that this is one of our favorite items.
So after describing the item of clothing that they want to add, the user will be prompted to upload an image of the item of clothing that they have just described, and they will do so by first clicking the select button, and then the user will be prompted to choose an image from their photo album. So I'm going to click the red shirt, and I'm going to click upload image. When clicking upload image, the image will be uploaded to Firebase and given a unique ID so that it can be called upon later and shown. And then I'll click next, and as you can see, the item was added to the inventory. And I'm going to repeat this process to add a few more items of clothing to my closet. Here I'm adding blue jeans, which are now also shown in my inventory. Now I'm adding a white pair of sneakers. These are also now shown in the inventory. And lastly, I'm going to add one more top. This one will be green. And now each of these items will be saved in Firebase.
So once the user has finished adding all their items to their inventory, you can see it's separated in, based on like tops, bottoms, and shoes. The user can then generate random items, random outfits based on the clothing that they have in their inventory. All they need to do is click the generate button. And as you can see, it generates an outfit based on the clothes in the inventory. And then if you hit the back button and then click generate again, it should have a different outfit. And basically the generated outfits are generated based on like occasion. So all of the information that the user clicked on before, whether it be athletic clothing, casual clothing, it generates an outfit based on that information. And it should be different each time. So it gives a new outfit for the user to try on and wear. And you can click back again. And yes.
So now we will be demonstrating these settings for screen.
I think I
So
have to
this-
do this. Sorry.
So this part of our screen defines our Closet app settings screen. It's programmed in Java using Android Studio. This layout has buttons for preferences, log out, and a back button. So clicking updating the password launches a screen that allows a user to log out using Firebase authentication and redirects to the opening screen. The back button navigates to the home screen. The on create method initializes layout and button listeners. Additionally, the on back press button or method ensures the default back button behavior. Overall, the code facilitates user interaction with the app settings, authentication, and navigation features, enhancing the overall user experience.
The user can also log out from the screen, or they can return back to the previous screens in the app. So here I'll be showing the logout button. And now the user will be shown the first screen upon opening the app again, and they will also be prompted to register or log in with their previously created account.
For our app, we used two different types of technologies. One was Android Studios, which is where we did majority of our coding, if not all of it. And then the other one was Firebase. We used both of them together in conjunction so that we could pull our images that we added to our app from the cloud, which was Firebase, which is where we stored it, as well as our descriptions of the items up there. We also used Firebase for our login and our registration system. So anytime a user goes to create their login, their email and their password will both be stored in Firebase, which you would be able to use later on. For us, that is, if we want to look at it. Our app is used so that people would be able to match clothes and find different outfits at any time when they're not around their closet. Our app provides a virtual closet for the user at any given time. So when they're out with their friends, or if they're just in their bed and feeling lazy, they could find a different outfit for any occasion that they want to use. Thank you for looking at our app, and we hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.